In front of me is the LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your Lenovo. And when you're ready, tap in on while using and allow in all available pop-ups for it to work. When you're done, use blue button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same button. To add a bookmark, unpause it and click on the left one. And to end it and save it on the right one. Now, to access it, click on those three lines at the top right corner and click on it to listen to it.
As you can see, Rico.
If you wanna manage it, you need to hold it instead and use all of those options at the bottom. This one on the right to share it, rename in the middle, and then finish to save your changes. And last but not least, click on this bin on the left and hit delete to get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!